Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video will be so very interesting video because in this video's topic is so important for us that grammar কিভাবে সহজ পদ্ধতিতে শেখা যায়. So yes guys, today I am going to talk about this. We always have a problem, the grammar. We also don't know that how to read grammar, how to start reading grammar. And we always, when we read grammar, there are some problems we have to face. When we think about grammar, our mind is confused. We have lots of questions in that time. So how to solve this problem? এই যে প্রবলেমটা আমাদের এটা অনেক বড় প্রবলেম হয়ে দাঁড়ায়, এই প্রবলেমটা আমাদেরকে সলভ কিভাবে করতে হবে. So today I am going to talk about this. So first, if you want to learn, if you want to speak English, then always remember, English is not an subject, it is a language. ইংলিশটা একটা সাবজেক্ট না, এটা একটা ভাষা. English is not a subject, it is a language. English is not our language, but we have to learn English. For this, if you want to learn English fluently, very easily, then always remember, we always think that grammar is important. We have to learn grammar, we have to read grammar for our English speaking power. But we are wrong in the time. Don't think about this, don't think about so much from grammar. If you are a real beginner, so always remember, গল্প, story, textbook stories আমাদের জন্য অনেক important. If we learn textbook, if we always read some textbook stories, then the grammar also will so easy for us. পরবর্তী সময়ে গ্রামার আমাদের জন্য অনেক ইজি হয়ে যাবে, অনেক সহজ হয়ে যাবে যদি আমরা স্টোরি, গল্প পড়ি. Because there are lots of sentence, lots of words in a story, lots of stock words. A story can give us lots of stock words, lots of motivation, lots of confidence to speak English and to learn English very fluently and also very easily. So now I say you that, now you ask me, now you question me this for this. So for this, why I make the grammar rules video? Because grammar is important. Grammar can help us to know some rules of English. Story can give us, if we read stories, then our mind will clear in that time. And in the last, if we go to the tense, if we go to the grammar, then we also feel so easy to learn all the grammars, to say all the grammars, to understand grammars. Because there are lots of rules in English speaking in the stories that we also don't know, but the grammar can help us in that time. For this, grammar is important. So now guys, there are lots of ways to learn grammar. Like there are lots of things, lots of rules, tense, part of speech, and also voice change, and also lot of things. But for a beginner, what grammar we have to learn first? So now today I am going to talk about this, that how to solve every problem that comes after the grammar. গ্রামার কিভাবে সহজ পদ্ধতিতে শেখা যায়, গ্রামারকে কিভাবে ভালো করে মনে রেখে এবং ভালো করে বুঝতে পারা যায়, আজকে আমি এই জিনিসটা নিয়ে ভিডিওটা বানাচ্ছি. সো লেটস স্টার্ট দিস ভিডিও আফটার এ স্মল ইন্ট্রো. Now guys, it is the time for the grammar. So আমরা প্রথমে grammar, there are lots of rules, there are lots of way to learn grammar. But which grammar rules so important for us, for a beginner, English beginner? So now guys, I want to talk about the whole thing. I will teach you everything like A to Z. So now first thing that we have to know, that if we are a real beginner, for a beginner, the tense. Yes guys, tense is the first thing in the grammar. If you want to learn English speaking very fluently and also very easily, then tense can help you in lot of things. Tense ই একমাত্র গ্রামার রুল যে জিনিসটা আমাকে অনেক ভাবে সবাইকে হেল্প করতে পারবে, like tense rule. So yes guys, today I am going to talk about the tense, how to know the tense rules, how to understand. the tense rules, and also lot of things. So now guys, you can see there I write the whole thing, the tense to tense. There are 3 kind of tense. So first tense আমাদেরকে পড়তে হলে প্রথম আমাদেরকে বুঝতে হবে যে tense আসল জিনিসটা কি, that what is the meaning of the tense, why there are used the tense. টেন্স মানে হলো গিয়ে কাল, সময়। আমরাও যখন when we speak English, when you speak our mother tongue, then we always speak in the tense. কালে আমরা সবসময় কথা বলি। That there are lots of rules that you can see here: present, past and future. They are the main thing to know the tense. I know that everyone knows it, but they are how to use them. Like you can saw here the present. Present মানে হলো গিয়ে যেটা এখন চলছে, like I am making a video, I sleep, like একদম সিম্পল, যেটা এখন আমরা করছি, what are we doing in the moment right now, this is called the present. And now the past, like I was making a video and also lot of things যেটা আমরা করে ফেলেছি। like past means যেটা আমরা করে ফেলেছি ওই টাইমে, I was make video lunch, I was eat my lunch, so this is called the past. And the last is the future. What is the meaning of future? We always think about our future. Yes guys, you are right, we always think about our future, that what we have to do in our life. Like future means যেটা হবে, এখন হয়েছে না, যেটা হবে একটু পরে হবে, this is called the future. Like we always think about যেটা হবে, আমি একটু পরে ভাত খাবো, আমি একটু পরে সাইকেল চালাবো, আমি একটু পরে ভিডিও বানাবো, এডিট করবো, এটাকে ছাড়বো, so this is called the future. So when we have to learn that what is the meaning of present, past, future, if you want to learn something, then learn the base of the whole thing. Because when we learn the base, when we learn the real key of the grammar of the tense, then we can understand and we also can know it very easily. So now guys, I understand you the whole base of the tense, the grammar. Now is the question that why I trying to understand you, trying to teach you the tense. Tense is very important. Because in the real moment, when we always talk with someone, we always talk in the present, past, future moment. We always talk about the past, we always talk about the present, future. Like তুমি ওই জিনিসটা দেখেছো, you saw this thing, the saw a past. তুমি ওই জিনিসটা দেখবে, তুমি ভাতটা তাদের খেয়ে আসো, আমি ভাত খাই, আমি টিভি দেখি. We always talk about the past, present and future. So for this I trying to understand you, the tense is so important. And we also in a story, গল্পের মধ্যেও অনেক টেন্স থাকে, গল্পের মধ্যে পুরাটা গল্পই একটা পাস্ট হতে পারে, একটা প্রেজেন্ট হতে পারে এবং একটা ফিউচার হতে পারবে. So this is called the tense. For this I always say you that in a story there are lot of grammar rules we can find. So now guys, I came back to my topic, that tense. And now যখন আমরা এই জিনিসটি পড়ব, এটার পরেও অনেকটি কিছু আছে. You can see here the indefinite continuous, perfect continuous. Perfect continuous. এখন এই জিনিসটা সব টেন্সের লগে যুক্ত হবে. Like প্রেজেন্টের লগে indefinite continuous, perfect continuous, same past এবং future. So this is the real thing. Like you can see here the indefinite. Now I am going to show you, now I am going to understand you that what their meanings. So indefinite means very simple. We always say simple things to do. Like indefinite, আমি খাই, আমি ভাত খাই, আমি like I eat rice, I saw TV, I see TV and I make video. So this is called the indefinite, means the simple. একদম যেই জিনিসটা একদম সহজ, যেটা আমরা সিম্পল কথা কই, এটাকে বলে ইনডিফিনিট. And now the continuous. What is the meaning of the continuous? Continuous এর মানে হলো যেই জিনিসটা আমরা ওখানে করছি, like which the things that are going on in the right moment. যেমন আমি জল খাচ্ছি, I drinking water. আমি খেলছি, I am playing. Like আমি ঘুমাচ্ছি, I am sleeping, I am making a video. Like ing. This is called the continuous. যেখানে যেই ওয়ার্ড, যেই শব্দটির মধ্যে আইএনজি থাকবে, যেই সেন্টেন্সটির মধ্যে আইএনজি থাকবে, এটা হলো গিয়ে কন্টিনিউয়াস। কন্টিনিউয়াস পাস্টেও ব্যবহার হয়, ফিউচারে হয় এবং প্রেজেন্টেও হয়। And now I think that I could understand you that what is the meaning of the continuous. And the third is perfect, যেটা আমরা করে ফেলেছি। Like perfect, I had drink water, I had played and also lot of things. যেটা আমরা করে ফেলেছি এটাকে বলে পারফেক্ট, যেটা হয়ে গেছে। লাইক ইউ অলসো ক্যান আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড টু হিয়ার দ্য নেম পারফেক্ট, যেটা হয়ে গেছে পারফেক্ট, like good, very good. So this is called the perfect. And now the last is the perfect continuous. Here is the perfect, here is the continuous. when যখন এই দুটোটা পারফেক্ট এবং কন্টিনিউয়াস যোগ হয় তখন এটা হয় পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস। Like had been, have been, has been. This is called the perfect continuous. যেটা হয়ে গেছিল মিন্স আই এম গোয়িং টু গিভ ইউ অ্যাডভাইস। লাইক আমি 10 মিনিট ধরে ভাত খাচ্ছিলাম, এটার মধ্যে ইংও আছে, লাইক কন্টিনিউয়াসও আছে, আবার পারফেক্টও আছে। আমি খেয়েছিলাম, আমি খাচ্ছিলাম, আমি 10 মিনিট ধরে খেলছিলাম, আমি 10 মিনিট ধরে ভাত খাচ্ছিলাম, আমি 10 মিনিট ধরে ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি। So this is called the perfect, indefinite continuous, perfect continuous. So this is the rule of the tense. So always try to remember that things. So now guys, I think that I understand you the whole tense, that what is meaning of the present, past, future, what is the meaning of the indefinite continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Now guys, এখন আমি now in that moment I am going to tell you that how to learn the tense, how to learn the everything, how to remember that things. Like you can notice it that in the tense there are like 3 tense: present, past and future, and they also have a work: indefinite continuous and perfect continuous. For this we have to like divide it some days. Take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, take 7 days, because present 1, past 2 and future 3, and the others 4 is like 7. And now divide it every day. Always remember, if you want to know, if you understand, if you want to know and if you want to understand tense, then always remember, first in the first day take your subject tense present, and then take a copy, and then take a pen, write 20-30 sentence in Bengali in your mother tongue with the perfect present, like with the present. Write lots, like 30-20 sentence in the present rule, like আমি ভাত খাই, আমি ঘুমাই, and also আমি খেলি, আমি ভিডিও বানাই। যেই সেন্টেন্সটি মাথার ভিতরে আসে সব সেন্টেন্সটিকে লেখার চেষ্টা করো। If you do this every sentence in 7 days, present 1 day, past 2nd, future 3rd, and indefinite 4th, continuous 5, perfect and perfect continuous 6, 7. Try to divide them in days and then try to write them 20-30 sentence in a day in a copy and pen. Take a copy and pen and then try to write every, like in past you have to write that আমি ভাত খেয়েছিলাম, আমি ঘুমিয়েছিলাম, আমি খেলেছিলাম। আর মাথার ভিতরে যত সব ওয়ার্ড আসে, আমি আবার বলবো, মাথার ভিতরে যেই সব সেন্টেন্স আসে সব সেন্টেন্সটিকে লাইক ঘুরিয়ে ফিরিয়ে প্রেজেন্ট, পাস্ট, ফিউচার, ইনডিফিনিট কন্টিনিউয়াস অ্যান্ড পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াসে যুক্ত করে লেখার চেষ্টা করো। তাহলে when we do that things, then we can improve our speaking power, we can improve our grammar rules and also tense also. So this is so important for us. And now guys, I say you, it's need to learn grammar 3 days in the past, present, past, future, and 4 days in indefinite continuous, perfect continuous. Tense needs 7 days. Every grammar rules, if you want to learn them, every grammar rules need 7 days. So now guys, I think that I understand you the whole thing, the tense, how to understand, how to like grammar কিভাবে সহজ পদ্ধতিতে শেখা যায়. I say you this, if you want to like, you can use this method in every grammar rules. First take the grammar and then know the basics, simple things, everything from the grammar, and then try to write the same thing, the grammar rules 20 times, 30 times. If you do this, then you can improve your speaking power, your grammar rules, and also lot of things. And I tell you, যদি গ্রামার শিখতে চাও তাহলে স্টোরি একদম পারফেক্ট আমাদের জন্য। যদি আমরা স্টোরি ভালো করে শিখতে পারি তাহলে আমরা গ্রামার এবং অনেক জিনিসও ভালো করে শিখতে পারবো। So story is so important for us. Grammar is important, but storytelling is the real thing. Storytelling quotes can give us lots of stock sentence and stock words. And when we read the stories, when we read the like quotes, thoughts, then the grammar will be so easy for us. Now guys, I think that if you like this video, if you like my method, so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. To a great mind, nothing is little.